Hey guys, did you know that you could unlock your body? And did you know that you had the key to unlocking your body? You do, and it's movement. But you may want a little bit of structure for that. So I just wanted to let you know that on December 28th, we will be launching our Unlock Your Body Group Start program. What is the Unlock Your Body Group Start program? Well, I am glad you asked. It is a 6-week structured movement program to just give you the tools you need and a little bit of guidance to move daily with follow along videos and group support, chat support, Facebook support, whatever support you feel like you need to answer your questions and to get you motivated. Anyway, it's a program designed for 6 weeks to help you unlock your body. And the results of that should be better mobility, better strength, better energy, and just all around better. So your body's designed to move, and if you move the way you're designed, that's pretty much the key to unlocking living your best life. And that's how you unlock your body. Anyway, if you want to start with us, it's December 28th, and that is this day right here. That's a Monday. If you want to start, just go on over to osi-online.com. That URL again is osi-online.com, and it will be in the notes of this video. Anyway, guys, hope you're having a great day. We'll talk to you later. So in case it helps, you just get on your web browser and type in osi-online.com, and then let the internet take you to our website, and then click on at the top, click on programs, and then you get to scroll through all the other offerings we have too. Whoa, who is that handsome guy? And then you just click on Unlock Your Body, view the program, and then it takes you to all the description of what the program is and what you can expect. You can see all that if you scroll down, but really you just want to click that button right there, and that will set you up, put it in your cart, and you just check out and you have a wonderful new year. Anyway, guys, thanks so much. We'll see you soon.